Welcome to the kitchen. Get ready, let's go. It's cooking with Jack. Put on a tasty show.
Hey guys, okay. So last week we did the creamsicle cookies. They were amazing. They came out beautiful. Everybody loved them. Okay? Tammy liked them. Jack and Brianna liked them. So we're putting them up against AI cookies. So it's really called brown butter chocolate chip cookies. Okay? We'll show you how to make them. AI gave me the whole recipe. So we'll see. Can AI make a better cookie? So they chose this recipe. I chose last week's recipe. So let's see what we got. So these are the ingredients AI told me to put together. We got brown sugar, we got baking soda, we got white sugar, we got 2 eggs, we got an additional egg yolk. It broke, but I swear it's 1 egg yolk. Flour, vanilla extract, unsalted butter, little sea salt, which is interesting. I've never sprinkled salt on cookies before. This recipe says to do so. All right. We got our chocolate chips. I think that's everything. So the first thing we're gonna do is the dry ingredients, mix them together. Piece of cake, they can sit out as long as they want. Not time sensitive, so I do those first. So we're gonna make the flour. Tammy's gonna kill me. I just sprayed the whole counter with flour. Beautiful. We're gonna take the baking soda and salt, and we're just gonna mix. That's it. That's it. Get it all mixed up. Okay, guys, so on a medium heat, we're gonna take 2 sticks of butter, put them in here, and brown the butter. Should take 5 to 7 minutes, no more than that. Get that all melted. Stir it frequently, medium heat, so you don't burn the butter. Brown butter is all the rage now. Okay, guys, while the butter is melting and browning, go ahead and break out your master mixing bowl. It's going to hold all the cookie down, and you're going to mix everything in it. Get a new bowl and get your 2 sugars ready, because we're going to take this butter and mix the 2 sugars in with it. The butter's kind of on a medium heat right now. Let me lower it just a little bit so we don't lose control. And it's going to get a brown hue. Don't want it to get burnt, but you just want to brown the butter. Okay, guys, so let's grab the butter. It's almost done. Let's take a look. Looks good. Maybe another minute, and we'll get it over to the bowl. The reason why we brown butter is to give it more of a nutty flavor. It gives it a little bit different flavor. If you don't like brown butter, don't brown the butter. Just do the recipe without browning the butter. Pour it in. Yeah, see the brown goodness? Get it in there. Set that back on the stove. And then we're going to add the brown sugar. We're going to add the white sugar. And we're going to mix until glossy. Let's see how this is going to work. All right, you got all the butter mixed in with the sugars, all mixed together. Go ahead and throw your vanilla in with that. Pour that in. Get that all mixed together. Grab our eggs, pop those in. Get those mixed in. The extra yolk. And then that bowl you set off to the side. The flour, the baking soda, and the salt. We're going to feed that in right now. I like to do a little at a time so it incorporates really well. And just go ahead and put the rest in. Get that stirred up really well. All right, guys, so we're going to carefully pour 2 cups of chocolate chips in, and we're going to fold them in carefully. It's not going to lie, we got a ton of cookies. We're going to throw these in the refrigerator right now. It says 45 to 60 minutes. It's your preference, okay, how you like your cookies, you know, but yeah, they look pretty good. So we will try them, well, we'll throw them in baking at 350 from 9 to 14 minutes. Okay, guys, these look beautiful. Let's take a little bit of sea salt, sprinkle on top. I don't know why. I've never, just a little, oops, that's a little bit too much. There we go. See if that helps make a difference in flavor. I don't know. These look really good. They do. I wonder how they taste. We'll try them out in a bit. All right, guys. Now's the time. Did I win or did AI win? Well, we're gonna find out. You remember the cookie from last week?
Yes.
You remember? Okay. You're going to tell me which one's better. Okay? Go ahead.
I'm trying to find one that's not so soft. Okay.
And Tammy won't spare my feelings. She'll kick me in the dirt if my cookie isn't better. Get down. Get down.
So
you're not getting a cookie.
This cookie, it's totally different. Like totally different flavors. Like chocolate chip cookies, this is really good. And I'm not like a sea salt person, but it tastes really good. It gives a balance.
The salt works?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if you had to give first place award at a contest.
I don't know. Like, I like a chocolate chip cookie. I'm not.
So that one wins?
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
So I
didn't
don't
say it.
So I mean, I think this is really good. But I mean, the orange sickle was good too, but it's not a chocolate chip, so it's.
Well, it had white chocolate chips.
Yeah, but it's not the same. It's not the same.
They worked also.
I know it was all good. Cookie. They were just different textures, different flavors.
But you choose to go back for more of those.
I was for these. Yes. Like actually, I didn't eat any more of those other ones. Like this one, I'll probably put with some ice cream. It'll be amazing. So.
All right, sweetie, I love you. AI kicked my butt. Recipe down below.